Yes, we really look forward to come home. So that's what is really important. Hi, I'm Praveen,
Hi, I'm Sonu.
and we both live in Sumadhura Folium Phase 1. This is our first and our dream home. When we started our interior design journey, we looked at many companies in and around the Whitefield area. We did not get that feeling of a design or what would it take to convert a house into a home from these companies. We came across Elysian Design Studio during this research process. We looked at their past projects. We spoke to them, and we kind of figured out that Arijit and Sushmita both were can be good for this project. The process was very easy to understand. They shared us what the timelines would look like, what the deliverables are, and
Our test.
and most importantly, so they helped us in this journey throughout. They were patient enough to hear us. So there were multiple iterations. Coming to the execution part, so Elysian Design Studio offers design as well as project management, right from the carpentry, the materials, the electrical works, painting. So I think everyone were very professional. They were always available to help us. We were worried about the timelines always, but they were very pretty confident that we would be able to meet the target date that we planned for our Griya Pravesh. Overall, it was a beautiful experience, and I think we were pretty much involved. They were very welcoming, and we collaborated very effectively in this project. Overall, I think they were there throughout the process. They supported us. Most importantly, they listened to us. We are really happy. Our home is very functional, and at the same time, uh, after a day long of work at office, we really look forward to come home. So that's what is really important. And
And mainly, it is not looking like a hotel, it's looking like a proper home.
overall, I think it came out pretty good. We would definitely recommend them get a view of what they have to offer, and get an overall sense of how they are kind of different from the interior design companies that are there in Bangalore today.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.